Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be winding up what we started on Monday. So we will quickly revise what we have done so far and then we will do an interesting activity in the class. So let's first revise what we have done in this week. So we basically talked about one of the very basic and smallest unit of our society, which is our house, our home, right? So we talked about it, that what is a house? An area where you live basically, right? That is your house. It can be anywhere. It can be rented. It can be your own, any type of. Then we talked about the different. Yes, we talked about the different rooms or the different parts of a house. So we discussed that every part of a house has been given a name. There is this drawing room, which is specifically for the guests, right? Where we receive them. And then we have a special designing, a special furniture for different rooms as well, right? Then we talked about the bedrooms. So bedrooms are the rooms where you sleep or you have rest, right? So then we talked about the lounge or the sitting area or the living area. These all of three are the same things. They can be an area where usually sofa sets are being placed, and there is this television, and families usually sit together there. They spend time together. They can have evening teas together over there, right? And there can be a mini library on the back of this portion where you can have a quality reading time together as well. Then we have talked about the kitchen, which is an important part of a house, right? And usually, beside the kitchen, there is this attached dining room where there is this dining set, and the family can have meals together in that area. Then we also have the attached baths with all of the bedrooms. We can have the dressing rooms. Like all the advancements or all other advancements in different fields of life, there is coming an advancement in the structures or the designs of houses as well. Previously, there was no trend of this dressing room. There was this no trend of the attached washrooms, right? But now it has, not now, like a lot of time has been passed on this as well, but the dressing room, attached washrooms, master bedrooms, all of these are the new things, right? Then attached balcony so that you can have an airy room and you can have the light in the room as well. Then all types of houses which are being built nowadays, they are built in a design so that they have a very good ventilation system, because you know that the population in the cities is growing at a very very great speed. So that is why if the houses in which there is no proper ventilation system, it would be very difficult to survive at that, right? So now today's activity is that we will be drawing our houses together. Okay, I'll be drawing my own and you will be drawing your house, and then we will show all the details of it. Now, there are two possibilities. The first is that we can draw the house in this manner. We can only, show the front look of it. So we will draw this later on. First, we will make a map of the house, right? Together. Okay. So if I talk about my house, over here, I have the entrance gate. You will be drawing your own. Okay, so I have this entrance gate. So when we enter, this is the porch area, and there comes the drawing room, and we can show the drawing room like this, that these are the sofa sets being placed, right? Okay, then we have a separate entrance over here, and we can have a washroom, and over there, there is this open area, or which we can call it as a balcony. Okay, this is the washroom. Okay, then we have an attached bedroom over here. This is basically the master bedroom, right? This is the master bedroom. Then we have another bedroom over here. When we comes over here, this comes the lounge area. We have a kitchen over here. Then we get out, there is another porch on this side, and there comes the washroom, right? So this is the map of my house, let's say. So we basically have two entrances on both sides. Okay, there is an entrance on this side and there is an entrance on this side as well. So we have two streets on the front and the back. Okay, so now you see through this, I have talked about all the bedrooms or how they are located or what is the design, right? So you will be creating a similar map of your house showing all, and you are supposed to add details. Let's say I have a dressing room over here with this bedroom. So I'll be making it over here. What else if I'm missing something? Okay, there is an open area over here as well between this, the boundary wall and the drawing room, right? So this is how it looks like, and there is a gate over here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now you are supposed to draw yours, and this is known as the map of a house, right? What is this? It's a map. You all of you first draw the map of your house, and then we will together draw the picture of it as well, and then we will discuss that what is the difference between the picture and the map. Okay, so let me know when all of you are done. Yes, done drawing the maps. Okay, great. Now let's draw the picture of your house, how it looks like from the front. Okay, if I talk about mine, it looks something like this. Okay, so this is the front look of my house. Okay, now when you are supposed to drawing this, there can be a front design of your house, there can be anything. Now this is the picture of a house, right? And what we draw before was the map of a house. So this is the difference between the picture and the map, that the details that we can get from the map are not available in the picture. Now, after looking at this picture, you cannot say that it has a one master bedroom over here, it has a kitchen over here. No, you cannot, right? But the map shows you all the details of the house, how it is designed, how many bedrooms does it have, how much area a bedroom is covering, where is the dressing room, where is the entrance, how much space is in between the drawing room and the boundary wall, right? So a map shows you all the details, but a picture cannot, right? So this is the difference between the map and the picture as well. Okay, so now all of you draw the picture of your house and let me know when you are done. Yes, everybody's done. Okay, so how was today's lecture? You guys enjoyed it? That's really great. Okay, so I'll be seeing you tomorrow. That was all for today. Do revise each and everything at your home and prepare yourself for the weekly assessment. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.